Okay, so ito, head-to-head tayo. Norris
Mm.
versus Piastri. Kasi sila naman ang dalawang head-to-head talaga na naglalaban para sa World Championship ngayon, Drivers' Championship. So tingnan natin ang head-to-head matchup ng dalawa. Unahin natin yung senior ng McLaren, Lando Norris.
So for Lando, between the two of them, between the two McLaren boys, between the two papayas, I think Lando is quicker.
Oh, okay.
You can see this qualifying sessions nila and even during practices. Mas mabilis
Correct.
si
Yeah,
Lando.
Mhm.
Pero ngayon sa stat yata, because Piastri took pole ngayong race sa Netherlands, I think mas lamang na si Piastri ng isang pole position.
Oh, okay.
Pero for
okay.
me, it's still Lando. It's still Lando. Lando's the quicker guy. And then in terms of experience, yan, Lando has more races. He has
course.
more parang experience na nasa top siya.
So mas sanay si Lando to compete with the bigger names in F1 right now. Okay.
Yeah.
So speed, overall speed so far, lamang si Norris.
Lamang si Norris.
Overall experience sa crunch time, sa pressure time, overall, si Norris din. Mas maraming karera si Norris, of course. Okay.
And then the fact that he's the senior driver ng McLaren, I think he has closer bonds din sa mga McLaren boys, yung mga mechanics, engineers.
The team itself.
Yeah.
How about yung mentality?
Mentality, mukhang dito nagkakatalo yung dalawa. I think in terms of mentality, mas lamang si Oscar Piastri.
Oh, so who's tougher mentally? OP, si OP.
He doesn't buckle under pressure. He doesn't fold. You can see this sa mga races ni Lando against Max Verstappen. Kapag nasa likod niya si Max, talagang makikita mo yung mga mistakes, little mistakes na nakukumit ni Lando. Yeah, even if silang dalawa ni Oscar Piastri, minsan nagkakamali siya eh. Example is yung Canadian Grand Prix. When he
Ano nangyari sa Canada?
Yung he took the wrong side of the track to overtake, yun, crash siya.
Sa wall, ano?
Sa wall, correct. Mas methodical yung approach ni Oscar Piastri.
Parang he approaches the race na with less emotion than Lando. Mas robotic, mas yun nga sabi mo, mas methodical si Piastri, parang all business. Hindi masyadong nababother, hindi masyadong na-phase ng pressure.
Yeah. And I have seen this with Kimi Raikkonen, with Mika Hakkinen, na medyo mga cold-blooded na mga racer to eh. Kahit nga sa celebration eh, kapag nanalo tong si Oscar, parang, yay, first.
Oh, parang wala lang. Yeah, okay. So, mas even-keeled si Oscar, no? He doesn't get too up, he doesn't get too down. Medyo balance siya sa gitna lang. Okay.
Correct.
Si Lando, medyo erratic, medyo ganun. Medyo pag masaya, okay, go na go. Pero pag medyo things are not going well, medyo down na down.
I think one of those things na sinasabi ng mga commentators and then the media is that he is too self-critical. Nag-fail siya on achieving something like winning a race. Talagang he blames all himself.
Nada-down talaga siya tuwing things are not going his way. Tapos
so
si Piastri parang nonchalant, parang balance lang.
Balance lang. So cool lang siya, chill.
Oo.
And I think ito yung isa sa mga advantages na kailangan i-take ni Oscar to get the championship. Kasi kung ganun, kasi after this, it will be Monza, and after that, Baku, Singapore. These are all very difficult tracks. And then, kailangan talaga mentally prepared ka. You have to be very, as we have said, methodical sa approach mo every race weekend. no? And then, yun nga, the way Lando reacted yesterday sa race, I think, yun na naman siya.
Oh,
Very
nasa
self-critical
memes,
na naman.
nakikita ko, naka head down na naman, naka slump.
Correct.
Diba?